Welcome back to Autoscope. Lamborghini Motorhome 2026. External design. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome will combine extreme performance, aerodynamics, and luxury in a revolutionary way. The camper will feature a sharp, aggressive, and futuristic silhouette instead of the typical boxy shape, evoking the Aventador Revuelto to Lamborghini sports cars. Shape and silhouette. The recognizable Y-shaped LED headlamps, a sizable hexagonal grille, and a carbon fiber splitter to enhance aerodynamics will dominate the front end. Acute angles will flow from front to back, and the body lines will be extremely acute. Materials. To minimize weight, the complete body will be constructed from carbon fiber monocoque, much like a race car. Electrochromic glass with adjustable darkening will be used for the windows. Doors and windows. A standard scissor door, albeit on a much bigger scale, will serve as the primary entry. A sliding side door that conceals an automated staircase might also be included. Ultra-luxurious interior. This motorhome's interior will represent the height of Italian design, elegance, and technology. The design will be simple but practical. A huge touchscreen that manages every aspect of the car, including navigation and entertainment, will take up most of the cockpit space. High-end materials including matte carbon fiber, brushed aluminum accents, and Alcantara leather with contrast stitching will be used to decorate the cabin. Ergonomic sports bucket seats will be used for the driver and passenger. The master bedroom has a built-in wardrobe, a king-size bed, with ambient lighting that can be adjusted. Stainless steel appliances, an induction stove, and a built-in refrigerator make up this elegant yet simple kitchen, a concealed old TV screen, and an L-shaped sofa section that doubles as an extra bed. Voice assistants, high-end Bang & Olufsen sound systems, and biometrics are examples of advanced technology features. A V12 hybrid engine derived from the Revuelto type might power this RV. All-wheel drive AWD system.